This is October's E-Time. I'm bringing this just to let you know what God has been doing in the past and what we are looking for in this month. Remember, October is the month of our church anniversary. We are celebrating the 19th anniversary of Grace Assembly of God. Some of you have been with us all these 19 years. Some have been with us lesser than that. But I want to say congratulations, and I want to really appreciate all of you for your ministerial efforts. Some of you give more than you are asked for in the ministries of the church, whether it be Sunday school, whether it be youth, whether it be music, whether it be men or women's ministry. You are doing an amazing job, and we are all going to celebrate on this Sunday, that is the 11th of October, 8:30 for the English service and 10 o'clock for the Hindi service. It's going to be a time of great celebration. And you know, we have a guest with us. That is Sheldon, who is a great worship leader, and he's going to be joining us. He has many albums. He is one of the top ranking worshipers and songwriters of our time here, and he's going to be joining us both on for both the services on Sunday, but also this Saturday. Remember, we are having a great evening of worship. It's just celebrating God's faithfulness. It's just singing songs of thankfulness to God and having a time of get together and just testifying that God has been faithful. So I don't want you to miss this, because this is going to be exciting to see what the Lord has been doing in the past 19 years. And remember, each one of us is celebrating it. It's not the anniversary of Sister Nini and I alone or our pastoral team, but each one of us, whether you are here for a year or less than a year, you are part of Grace Assembly, and this is your anniversary. So come and be a part of it. It's going to be exciting. One more thing, the next weekend we are having guest speakers that are going to be coming. God has used them world over. They are mighty men and women of God that are going to be here, and we're going to have 2 nights of miracles. That is Friday night and also Sunday morning, 2 services again. And it's going to be a great time of receiving our miracle from the Lord. I believe God is ushering in this year of expansion, something that is far beyond what we have experienced. And this couple brings in an anointing that is going to be unique to our church. And I pray that each one of us will come with an open heart to see what the Lord is going to do. So I look forward to seeing you on Saturday night at 6 o'clock for our evening of worship. And then we're going to be also meeting on Sunday morning for our English and Hindi services. It's going to be a great time of rejoicing. It's going to be a great time of fellowship. Bring your friends with you and come and experience God's faithfulness as we testify of what God has done. God bless you.